Hello and welcome to Tech Funda. Today I am going to share here what are the resources, authenticate resources for learning to start investing in the stock market. If you already have been investing in the stock market, that's very good. You may already have some good experience. I would like to share my knowledge here, and in the next slides I have listed some good resources which can give you more detailed insight on how to wisely invest in the stock market. So these are a few of the resources. So at first I would like to share a good resource which have been created by Zerodha. So as you may know, Zerodha is a broker company, and they have developed website Zerodha Varsity. So if you go at zerodha.com and then go there at Varsity page, so you would see all the details, whether it is a technical understanding on the stock market or the shares, and at the same time how to study the fundamentals. So it's a very good resource, and the quality of resource is really very good. So in the next video I would like to visit that Zerodha Varsity, and then we can have a look how detailed they have shared uh, these insights, so that we can learn. And I would like to say that if at all we have a good sound knowledge, then we can invest wisely. And in the past there have been the tendency to just go on the words what shares are good, and many people caught up in the bad quality shares or at wrong prices. Usually I would say that shares are not good or bad, but the entry point or the pricing point is a very important. So even if you buy gold, but if you bought the gold in a very expensive price, for example, when August 2020 or July or August 2020 gold was at the highest price in its lifetime. So if you have bought that time, then you either have to book a loss if you need the money, or else you may have to wait for couple of years just to break even the price at which you have bought the gold. So it's not about the good or bad share, but mainly it's about the what price point you have bought it. So it's a very good thing that we first study what all it is about, whether it is a technical or fundamental of shares or the companies. Then another resource which I would like to share is the trend line. So trend line is a basically a kind of informative portal wherein we can get all the details of the listed shares, whether fundamentals, financials, corporate actions, or bonus or dividends, or any news or any uh, reports which are being published on the expected price targets in the future. So in one of my videos I would like to go visit the trend line, and then it has some advanced feature wherein we create some screeners there, and we can create our own portfolios there. So I would like to go in details. This video is just a brief introduction to list out what all tools we can use in combination, so that once we start investing, so these all tools together will help in our day-to-day or day-to-day investing decisions. Next, the resource, in case we are not from financial background, as the case with me. So there are then Google would be of help, and then once we start searching any term on the Google, uh, we can find another resources there. Maybe it will be Investopedia or some other website, or Money Control, or any other such reliable websites. At the same time, I prefer to visit the website of the company of which the share we are interested in, because even if we buy at little bit high price or wrong prices, at least it should be gold. For example, if the company is good, then we can expect that in the future sometime the price would cross, or at least we would be able to buy more quantities at a lower price and then average out. Because if a company which is not performing so well, then its price can be fluctuating too much. So at the just before investing or just before making our own portfolio, we should make a study, whether it is through Zerodha or Trendline, and then finally also together with the company website, its annual reports, it's learning about its management and those kind of things. So these are the resources I have been using, and I would like to share the details in my next videos. I hope you would like to that information. Please comment out in comment section if you would like to make me any specific videos, or you can suggest me how to improve these videos. If there are any points you can suggest, please do it without any hesitation, and I would definitely try to apply those kind of changes in my next of the videos. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks a lot.